Alright, so in this video, I'm going to try to show you how to use a screencast. I actually use screencast-o-matic.com. If you just Google Screencast-o-matic, you'll find that, or you can just type in screencast-o-matic.com. When you get to that website, you're simply just going to launch the free recorder. You might have to download something in order to do that. It doesn't take very long, but if you hit launch free recorder, if I do that now, it says that, probably says I'm low. Yeah, it says I'm already using that. So I can't actually show you how that works. But you just launch that, you download this stuff, and once you download that, and when you're ready to record, you're going to see this pop up on your computer screen. You can record your screen, which is what I'm doing right now. You can do the webcam and do that only, or you can do both. If you do both, your picture is going to pop in to the screen on the side like this, kind of like what Charlie's is doing right here for my youth and government tutorial. So you're going to pick which option you want. You can speak into your microphone, your computer, and test that here. And then you just simply hit record. You only are limited to 15 minutes in the free version. So you have to kind of pay attention to that as far as timing goes. When you click record in the bottom left hand corner, kind of like what is here on the screen, you'll see the counter going, so you can kind of pace yourself that way. You also notice that there is this box around her whole computer screen is here, but the box is around here. It's kind of annoying because you can't show your whole screen. You have to kind of move it around. You move this actual box, you just drag it to where you want it to be. So if you want to show something on your computer, you might have to fudge a little bit with that that box, and I don't think I can make it bigger than what it currently is. So those are just some basic things. You're going to want to go to the Screencast-O-Matic, launch your free recorder. Once you do that and it's downloaded, you'll see this screen pop up. It'll say record screen, webcam both. Hit the record button and you're good to go. When you're finished, when you're recording, it'll have a little pause button here, and when you're finished, you just hit the pause. And I'm going to try to record a video of what to do once you actually complete the video and how to like upload that. So we'll see if I can get that done.